Hi, I'm Santina with WTI. If you are looking for a great pair of slip-on walking shoes, then I highly recommend these Skechers Women's Breathe Easy Look Mary Jane flats. So there are so many things that I just really appreciate about these shoes. First of all, comfort level. I mean, that is definitely one of the most important things on any pair of shoes, right? So I love that the soles of these shoes are really cushy and it just makes for a comfortable step when you go walking. I also love that although they do have an athletic look, they're slip-ons, so they're really easy to get on and off. And sizing wise, I just find they're very comfortable to walk in and they give me a little bit of room to breathe for my feet. They don't feel super tight on my feet. Also, they look great just going out with a pair of jeans. They can definitely have a nice casual look, but where you feel good about your shoes that you're wearing. So I overall highly recommend these, and that's my point of view.